The most important lesson I've learned as a chef is to be open to new ideas. One of the reasons why I started to cook was I thought it could afford me the opportunity to see the world and visit different cultures, eat different foods and that sort of thing. And it still is very, very exciting to me. We're very excited to be here and see new things, taste new dishes. We were asking what a lot of the local foods and local ingredients are. And if we can't incorporate them into the menus we're doing here, then we'll certainly try to eat them as well. I still enjoy going to work every day. I enjoy going to work and being surrounded by my team. I'm fascinated by what my peers and what my colleagues are doing. I continue to love to go out and eat at restaurants and see what other people are doing. I continue to love to read cookbooks. I find a great source of inspiration. But I think the best one of all is my team. We work together to assemble a core group of people that share the same vision. We're always kind of working. Creativity does not come from one person. It tends to be a very collaborative effort. And I think if you surround people that share the same vision, the same goals, including creative goals, a lot more can happen than just one person. The atmosphere, almost kind of like a pirate ship atmosphere, is about a team that worked very, very hard to make other people happy. And the minute I felt this feeling in this high energy environment, I was hooked. My culinary philosophy over the years has changed. I think the older I've got, the simpler it has become. I realized that really the best quality food is really from the quality of ingredients. It's one of the things that drew me to California. In terms of creativity, it sounds boring, but to this day, it still remains the seasons. You wait 3 months until springtime or summertime for specific products. When they come, you welcome them with open arms and the new ideas, the ideas from the past, but also the new ideas that have developed during this time. And after 3 months of the season, you start to look forward to the next season. So the seasons and the various ingredients continue to remain my main source for inspiration.